Planning a move from Hawaii to Nevada? Let's dive into what you need to know. Moving from Hawaii to Nevada typically costs between $3,210 and $6,870, depending on factors like home size and additional services. For example, 2-bedroom home, $4,496, $5,875, 3-bedroom home, $6,597, $8,698, 4-bedroom home, $8,779, $12,450. These estimates include ocean freight and mainland transportation. Costs can vary based on volume, destination, and timing. Expect an average delivery time of 3 to 5 weeks for your belongings to arrive in Nevada. This includes ocean transit and mainland transportation. It's essential to plan ahead and coordinate with your moving company for timely delivery. Full-service movers offer a range of services: packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, furniture disassembly and reassembly, transport to your new home. Optional services like storage and vehicle shipping. These services save you time and reduce stress, especially for long-distance moves. To ensure a smooth move, plan ahead. Book your moving company early to secure your preferred dates. Declutter. Reduce the volume of items to lower costs. Label boxes, clearly mark contents and destination rooms. Set aside essentials. Pack a separate bag with items you'll need immediately upon arrival. Confirm all details. Verify services, costs, and timelines with your moving company. Hiring professional movers ensures experienced and trained staff, proper equipment for safe transport insurance coverage for your belongings, efficient and timely service. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially for long-distance moves. Moving from Hawaii to Nevada is a significant step, but with the right preparation and professional assistance, it can be a smooth and successful transition. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your moving experiences or questions in the comments below.